हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ रक्षिता शेट्टी और आज एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे मैं बात करने वाली हूँ जो है सेल्फ डिफेंस। आई मीन देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ इशू गोइंग ऑन विद रेप केस और ये सारी जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, बट देन यू नो व्हाट इज़ द सोल्यूशन फॉर इट। मैं अगर इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट में डाल दूँ कि यू नो रेप सीन्स हैशटैग्स वट एवर दोज थिंग्स वी डू इट, बट उससे मतलब अल्टीमेटली मोटिव क्या निकलता है। Okay, so here I introduce you Aru Sankhe, who is a fitness coach as well as self-defense instructor. So today we're going to be talking some of the tips and techniques which you can use it for your self-defense. So over to you.
So about self-defense, women's self-defense. So what is women's self-defense? Okay, so there are a lot of things like candle march right now. Okay, for a lot of things are going on. Okay, but what is the permanent fixture of this? So permanent fixture would be your daughter, your wife, or your friend, anybody. She should know how to defend herself. Police will come later on. It's okay, but at that point, she is there and the attacker is there. Okay, so what are the tips to just overcome it? Just not physically, but even mentally. Okay, so the game starts over here before it starts on your body. Okay, so mental tips. Okay, so before the physical thing starts, there should be some mental tricks that you should know. Okay, so talking about tips, what are the tips? Okay, so if you're walking on the road, alleyway, anywhere, okay, so it is dark, okay, and you're alone, so you have a phone in your hand, you have a purse, something is there, okay, you should keep it in your pocket, you should keep it somewhere safe. You should be able to use your hand if necessary. Okay, if you have an umbrella, you can just grab the umbrella. Okay, so that is the tip that you can, like, before attack or before you're just walking or somewhere.
So keep your hands free.
Free, yeah. Okay, now the fight is on, attacker is over here. Now what can you do? Okay, main tip is to breathe. Okay, it sounds very obvious that you have to breathe. Obviously we breathe, but the main thing is you should breathe. When the fight comes, you're shocked. You know the fight, you know how to box, you know how to wrestle, but you cannot breathe. You cannot able to, like, give oxygen to your brain. Okay, so that is the main thing. You should breathe, heavily breathe. Okay, and that is something you should practice. It won't come directly. You should practice breathing. Okay, meditation will also do. Okay, so breathing. Why is breathing so much important? Because when there is a fight, okay, so when you breathe, breathing is a natural way to signal your brains. Okay, so when you're breathing, you can understand whether you should fight or you should flight. Okay, basically you should run or you should fight or you should defend yourself. Maybe you can shout, maybe you can use your physical strength, anything. Okay, but breathing is the most important part while defending yourself. If you're not breathing, if you're just panicked or you're shocked, whatever, you know, you are maybe the best martial artist in the world, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
So here I understand that you have to stay calm and you have to really be reactive on whatever the incident happens. So you know, I've been seeing this, lot of things are available in the market, like the pepper spray is there, knife is there, there is this buzzer also. But then when can you use it? I mean, there is an incident happening and you cannot find that thing on your bag and you'll take the action after that. So तब तक सब काम तमाम हो जाएगा. So you have to have this awareness about your mental and the physical ability to fight over that incident. So some of the techniques which Aru gonna be sharing with us, which we can use it, being a sister, being a woman, mother or daughter, anybody's, you know, you all have to learn this, girls. You have to be strong and you have to be very, very attentive by your minds. You never know in which situation you would be having. It is not always about the outside, you know, what bothers us. It is about our house, relative, anybody, anything can happen.
It's how you can handle the situation,
Exactly.
right?
Harassment it's so normal,
Yeah.
it's so casual
You cannot
these days.
stop all the crime in the world, but you can take care of yourself. Okay, तो दुनिया में क्या शुरू है, उससे better हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा important है.
True. So let's have some of the techniques which Aru going to show us. So let's start with the demo. Okay, so we'll start with the demo. So this is Mitesh Shetty, who's going to be an attacker, and Aru gonna explain us the technique, how I should do my self-defense.
Okay, so the first attack is somebody grabbing you from behind. Okay, this could be in the situation of kidnapping or any case. This is very quick and very sudden. We cannot react to it. Okay. So we'll show it. So Mitesh. Okay. So when he's coming over here, okay. Okay. So when he's coming over here, grab the. Okay. So now she's defenseless. So she's defenseless. Okay. Okay. Proper job. So first technique is. So first thing what you should do is. Okay. Come. Yeah. Grab his hand before he's pulling you behind. Okay. Grab his hand with both your hands. Scoop it down. Okay. So after doing this, your elbow is over here. Her elbow is over here. Strike it behind. Strike it on the abdomen. Okay. Now with your. So second technique is that somebody grabbing you from your neck or then maybe pulling your hair aggressively. Okay. So what can you do when somebody is doing it? This is like a very common attack. Okay. And very dominating attack for an attacker. Okay. Strike. Nice one. Third attack is when you're on the ground and attacker is on you. Okay. So this is very dominating position for attacker and you are very defenseless in that position. Okay. So we'll show you the demonstration how it is done. So now she's laying on the ground and attacker is coming. So now he's grabbing her hands and like she's defenseless over here. So what she'll do is tuck your legs. Now glute bridge yourself. Okay. Now push him. Done. Get up. And you can run away or you can engage.
So these were few techniques of self-defense, and there is lot many videos coming on job flexion page which is Aru is handling, and I want you to go check out his page. I'll be putting the description mein link. Go and check out his page. So that's it. And if you have any question, then you can just
comment
comment down below. If you want any other technique which you want us to demonstrate, let us know in the comment section. Aru and me as a team will do it. And thanks to Aru for giving us this training. Also his team, which is Mitesh, the camera girl, Shivangi. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love.